Hey everybody, this video I'm going to see if we can pick this open. This came off a house. This is the deadbolt counterpart. I couldn't even get a key blank in this thing, so tried to get the clip off, couldn't get it off, lubricated the shit out of it, tried to pick it, failed, thought I completely lost it. And so I just dumped all the pins out the top. So there's no pins in this, I counted all 10, and even with a screwdriver this thing won't turn. So this is the most seized up, messed up lock that I've came across so far. So this is getting file 13, and it's got trifle all over it. So this is the doorknob that was on the same house that I had to actually use a drill to get off. It was in such bad shape. So anyway, I'm gonna see if I can just pick and gut it just for the hell of it. It's been a while since I actually got a lock actually open. Oh, this is the rest of that deadbolt. How gross and nasty it got here being in Florida, and they hadn't had a key to it in several years. They hadn't had a key to this either, so. Although this one, a key blank will actually go in, so hopefully I can actually pick it. Yeah, that deadbolt definitely threw me for a loop. Kind of funny. First lock I've tried to pick for fun in a week and a half or 2 weeks. And can't get it. And thinking like, well, I wonder I can't get a Medico open. I can't even get a Kwikset open. And then after I took it apart and dumped the pin, that didn't feel so bad. Yeah, this one's not going so great either, but at least it moves a little bit, the plug, so it means that I should be able to pick it. Or at least it is pickable anyways. I mean, somebody with some talent might be required to actually do the picking, but at least it's possible to pick anyways if the plug will move a little bit. Well, maybe some tri-flow is needed in this thing too. These are the kind of locks that I hate running into when you're out working. Fortunately, this one wasn't a lockout. This was just a service call. So anyway, that's some tri-flow. That's my lubrication of choice for locks. And then oftentimes I run a key in there just to try to get it, worked around. see if I have any better luck picking it here. I don't know. It's still in bad shape. And this thing, I mean, you saw the deadbolt, I won't even turn. So it's been years since these things have had keys in them. I mean, this one was almost falling off the door. But you couldn't even tighten it down because the heads of the screws were kind of rusted off, so you couldn't even turn them to tighten it. Yeah, I'm not really getting anywhere with this here. Try something else. Let's see if we can maybe rake it open. Yeah, there it goes. Man, the thing is hard to turn even with the tension wrench. Alright, so it's open anyway. Put my lock picks away here. Unless I accidentally lock it back, won't need them anymore. Okay, so this is just, it's a Kwikset brand, not just a Kwikset keyway. So we need pickle fork. Yeah, if it doesn't lock back. That does, we can just rake it again. This thing doesn't want to come out. There it goes. Okay, so that's the spindle out of there. It goes down the the spring will move anyway. A couple of taps, and we've got our cylinder out. And that way, and I managed to do that without locking it back. But now we can't get to our clip the way the clip is turned. So do not want to lock it back. See see if we can turn it upside down. There we go. See how the clip's all rusted too. Okay, so that's off of there. And we can turn it sideways, grab a follower. And see if we can force it out. Well, almost. Okay, so pin number 1 came out the top pin. These are all going to be standard. And tri-flows all over it. So you shouldn't have to bang them like this to get them out. Okay, so it looks like bidding on it looks like 1, I don't know, 1 4 1 2, nah, probably 1 3 1 2 4, I think. And I'm not gonna bother measuring them because I don't really care. And then drivers. Okay, so there's a really old, dirty, nasty Kwikset. I guess it was raked open and gutted. So, yeah, so I'll go post this crap, and that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.